In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now choose voice typing and click on the gray sweater next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. Then choose while using the app in the pop-up, wait for Speak Now command and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!